Famous Jains. This video introduces some of the most famous Jains of the modern era. This video is based on the article, Jain Community, Achievements, Contributions and Influence, by Mahavir Sanglikar. See the article link in the description box below. Premchand Roy Chauhan was the founder of Bombay Stock Exchange. This was the first stock exchange of Asia. He was the biggest cotton and bullion trader of India, and a stockbroker. Moreover, he was a philanthropist and donated huge money for education of girls and for other causes. He was born into a Jain family in Surat, Gujarat, in March 1832. Veerchand Raghavji Gandhi was a barrister and a Jain scholar. He represented Jainism at the First World Parliament of Religions in 1893. He promoted Jainism in USA and wrote many scholarly books on Jainism. He is known as Gandhi before Gandhi. He was born into a Jain family of Mahwah, Gujarat, on the 25th of August 1864. Annasaheb Ledthe was a social reformer, educationalist, and politician. He was Diwan and a close friend of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj of Karveer. He wrote the first biography of the Maharaj. He was the founder of many educational institutes, and also the founder of Dakshin Bharat Jain Sabha. He was born into a Jain family in South Maharashtra on the 9th of December 1878. Walchand Hirachand was the founder of the Walchand Group of Industries. He established the first shipyard, the first aircraft factory, and the first car factory of India. He was born into a Jain family of Solapur, in Maharashtra, on the 23rd of November 1882. Ansuya Sarabhai was the founder of Ahmedabad Textile Labour Association, Mazdoor Mahajan Sangh, India's oldest union of textile workers. She worked to improve the lives of poor women. She was born into an influential Jain family in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, on the 11th of November 1885. Bhaurao Patil was a mass educator, social activist, and founder of the Rayat Shikshan Sanstha. During his lifetime, he founded 578 primary schools, 108 secondary schools, 38 hostels, 6 teachers training colleges, and 3 colleges. He was born into a Jain family of southern Maharashtra, on the 22nd of September 1887. V. Shantaram, born Shantaram Rajaram Vankudre, was a legendary film producer, director, screenwriter, and actor during the golden era of the Hindi and Marathi films. He produced 20 films, directed 51, and acted in 13. He was born into a Jain family of Kolhapur, Maharashtra, on the 18th of November 1901. Fadappa Darappa Chaugule was India's first Olympic marathon runner. He represented India in the 1920 Summer Olympics in Antwerp, Belgium. He was born into a Jain family of Belgaum, North Karnataka. Jainendra Kumar was a noted Hindi writer. He penned many novels and stories. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award, one of India's most prestigious literary awards. Moreover, he was awarded Sahitya Akademi's highest award, the Sahitya Akademi Fellowship. His most notable works are the novels, Parakh, Paap Aur Prakash, Muktibodh, and Tyagpatra. He was born into a Jain family, in western Uttar Pradesh on the 2nd of January 1905. Navalmal Firodhia was a freedom fighter, an industrialist and a philanthropist. He introduced 2 unique vehicles, auto rickshaw for carrying passengers and tempo for carrying goods. He was born into a Jain family of Maharashtra, on the 9th of September 1910. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was a space scientist. He is known as the father of Indian Space Research Program. He was founder of Indian Space Research Organisation, and chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India. He was born into an influential Jain family in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, on the 12th of August 1919. K. Lal was a legendary magician, who staged more than 22,000 magic shows world over. International Bureau of Magicians in the USA awarded him the title of the world's fastest and greatest magician. He was born on the 10th of April 1924, in a Jain family in a village in Amreli district of Gujarat. Osho was a renowned philosopher, thinker, reformer, and promoter of new thoughts. He promoted various Indian philosophies, including Bhagwan Mahavir, Buddha, and Krishna, in his own way. He was born into a Jain family of Bundelkhand, Madhya Pradesh, on the 11th of December 1931. Tarachand Barjatya was a film producer, and the founder of the production and distribution house Rajashri Productions. He produced 45 films. Through his films, he promoted family values. He was born into a Jain family of Kuchaman, Nagaur, Rajasthan. Ravindra Jain was a legendary music composer, lyricist, and playback singer. He wrote, composed and sang hundreds of songs for more than 120 films and TV serials, including Ramanand Sagar's epic Ramayan. He was born into a Jain family in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. Kalyanji Anandi were music composer duo, who composed hundreds of evergreen songs for Hindi movies. They composed songs for over 200 films in their career of 46 years. They were brothers, born into a Jain family in Kutch, Gujarat. Later they with their father Virji Shah migrated to Mumbai. Tarak Mehta was a popular author, humorist and playwright, who penned more than 80 books. The popular TV serial Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma is based on his column, Duniya Ne Andha Kazma. He was born into a Jain family of Ahmedabad on the 26th of December 1929. Sahu Shanti Prasad Jain was an industrialist and a philanthropist. He founded Bharatiya Jnanpeeth, the most prestigious literary institution of India. He was born into Sahu Jain family of Najibabad, Uttar Pradesh, on May 22, 1911. Virendra Hegde is a social activist and philanthropist, and works for education and social welfare. He is the most acclaimed socio-religious leader of Karnataka and nearby states. He was born into a Jain family of Dakshin Kannada, Karnataka, on the 25th of November 1948. Abhinandan Vardhaman is a fighter pilot of the Indian Air Force. He was awarded Veer Chakra, the third highest gallantry award for his bravery and courage in an air attack and thereafter. He was born on June 21, 1983 into a Jain family of Tirupanamur, Tamil Nadu.
This video is created and presented by Jain Mission. Thanks for watching this video. Please like it and please subscribe this channel.